Businesses don't buy technology because they want more of it.
They invest because they just want things to work. Fewer interruptions,
Clearer answers,
smoother days.
and more confidence in the systems their business relies on.
That's what good business tech should do.
Less complexity, less people to chase.
Fewer hurdles before getting the outcome you're looking for.
It should feel simple.
It should feel simple.
Behind the scenes, the work can be detailed.
It can be technical.
It can involve infrastructure, networks, connectivity, configuration, and support.
But to the customer, the experience should feel calm,
Joined up and carefully looked after.
because the real value isn't just in the technology itself.
It's how well it fits the environment.
We've always believed that the best solutions
Are the ones designed around real life,
are around how people work,
around how sites operate.
how teams and customers actually connect.
And that's why alignment matters so much.
That's why partnership matters so much.
We weren't looking for a logo to put beside ours.
We were looking for a partner that thought about modern technology in the same way.
That's why the partnership had to be built on more than just capability. Capability matters, of course, but plenty of companies can provide products, platforms or services.
What matters is whether those things come together in a way that makes the life better for the customer. We were looking for a partner who understood that.
A partner who cared about simplicity, reliability, visibility and support,
A partner who saw technology not as a collection of separate parts,
but as an experience that has to work in the real world, because environments are rarely perfect.
there's existing systems to consider,
Different user groups with different needs.
multiple locations, moving parts and practical constraints.
So when we're looking for a partner, the question was never just, can this work?
The question was, can this work well for the people who have to use it, manage it and depend on it every day?
That meant finding a partner with a joined up ecosystem,
A way to give customers better visibility.
a way to manage, configure and support more efficiently.
A way to deliver solutions that could grow without becoming harder to control.
That's when the partnership made sense.
The thinking was the same,
Standards were the same.
the direction was the same.
Make the complex parts easier to manage
Give customers more control.
and build technology that feels as good in practice as it looks on paper.
And ever since our partnership began,
We've never looked back.
our combined experiences enable customer solutions like never before.
And our work with Ulwell Park is a perfect example of why that matters.
On the surface, the brief sounded simple: improve the Wi-Fi. But the reality was much more detailed than that.
You have guests arriving and expecting easy access, homeowners who need more consistent connections, staff who rely on the network to keep the site running.
Outdoor areas, varied coverage needs, existing infrastructure, different priorities, and a customer who needed the whole thing to be manageable over time.
So it wasn't just about installing the equipment.
It was about designing a better connected experience across the site.
The existing backhaul could remain in place, but the access layer needs to be stronger.
Outdoor coverage needed to improve. The network needed to be separated clearly between guests, homeowners and staff.
Access needs to feel simple, whether through registration, visitors' passcodes or managed portals.
And the customer needed real-time visibility so they could understand what was happening across the network, instead of relying on guesswork.
That was where the partnership became real.
One side understood the customer environment, the operational needs, the outcome that had to be delivered.
The other brought the infrastructure, managed capabilities, scalable ecosystems to help make the outcome possible.
Together, the solution became more than the sum of its parts.
Outdoor access points,
New switching,
centralised cloud management,
monitoring,
configuration,
testing.
those details mattered.
For guests, it meant getting connected with less friction.
For homeowners, it meant more dependable experience.
For staff, it meant the network supported the operation instead of becoming another thing to worry about.
And for the customer, it meant the system was easier to see, easier to manage and easier to improve.
And this is what a strong partnership is really about.
It makes the solution feel more complete,
It removes the friction.
rather than adding to it.
It gives customers confidence that the people behind the technology,
Are working towards the same goal.
because when the thinking is aligned,
The delivery is stronger.
and when the delivery is stronger,
The customers feel it.
less complexity,
Better support.
a smoother experience. That's the standard we set.
And that's the standard this partnership is built to deliver.